So this is the late night tour of my office, and it doesn't look anything like what you would expect an attorney's office to look like. So I had an office before, and it had the typical sort of stuff in it that you would expect to be in an attorney's office, but this time when I moved out, I wanted to go a little bit more girly, so here you have it. So yes, I have these two cute little chairs that I picked up at a resale shop, and then I have these cute little pillows that go with them. Oh, and actually that's upside down, and there was a reason. I was just trying to fluff them back up. So as you can see, cute little pillows, and I can't tell, I think that's an owl, and I can't even say it. That's an owl that's on them, but yeah, you got the cute little like sunburst window. I don't know what that is, what you call that. But anyway, cute little white chairs on rollers, so they're easy to move around, yes. So not like your typical attorney's office, and yes, I'm here at night and I have my lamp on so that the mood is sort of like, you know, it's the end of the day, but and then some stuff on the wall. I got this for free. This was, you know how Gary Vaynerchuk used to do the like the little Monday giveaway things? This was one of those. So I got that, I put that on the wall. This was like a short documentary film I had done. So yeah, and then this was a photography project that I had done. And then we have, oh, this is an event I did with a friend of mine who was running for mayor. We did an event, and we had these cute little shirts, but I'm not gonna open that up right now because I don't feel like it. And here's a picture of me from an event that I went to last year, but this is my cute little table. And then I have this really big frame back here. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna put in it yet, but something. So yes, so I have my pillows matching the pink seating there. Then I have my cute little lamp here, and it's got all my little stuff. Every time I go to something, I just stick it up there. If I have to speak at something, I just stick it up there. And then yeah, okay, so I'm a little politically active, so yeah, there's that. But my cute little like marble imprint lamp, I don't know what you call it, my little pencils over there. And then I took a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, I ran for city council. That's another story. That's a whole nother video, okay? But in any case, I got a whole bunch of junk. And I got some really great notes that people gave me. And so I decided to put them all in this frame, and just like, they're really great. And this one's like, hi, hello Shelia. Oh yeah, that was supporting them. And then this is from a family friend. It says blessings and all that you're doing for the betterment of your city of Durham. And then one of my daughter's friends, that her mom. And yes, it's really great. And then this one was from Sunny. And so you go to all these things and they'd have the placards, and so yeah, so lots of stuff here. So I put it all in this big frame as sort of a way to do something with it. It's like you want to have some memory of it, but you don't want like this big box full of stuff that's just in a file folder somewhere. So I just picked out a bunch of stuff that I thought was representative of the experience. And yes, so all these little name placards I kept every time we went to like a forum and had to speak. I kept those. All the little name tags. So the whole time I was going through this, I was keeping like all these little name tags. Like, I don't know who I am, but yeah. Yep, kept all of those. And then like when I voted for myself, hey, I voted. So yeah, those are up on the wall. Had my nice little printer, yeah. And then this little table. So this table I got for like $15, because like I said, the last time I had like big brown furniture, you know, like office furniture, and I wanted to do something entirely different this time. So yeah. Oh, and look at the little mug. I think my daughter got that for me. I can't remember. And so yes, fun folders, because yeah. and then a little thing where I just dump all my stuff in, my keys and all that while I'm here. So yeah, and so on top of the table, because you know the tops of tables can be really rough, so I put this piece of glass up here, and I typically have my laptop right there. There was this big cracking sound one day, and look at what happened. Like, the computer, the laptop got too hot and cracked the glass that was on top of it. So I haven't replaced it yet, but it scared me to death because I was sitting right there in the chair and there was just this loud noise. So as you can see, yeah, so the walls in here were brown. It's like a yucky brown. And I wanted to be able to take some pictures and do some other video and stuff. So my daughter and I painted the wall behind the desk white, at least part of it, so that we could actually do some other stuff. Yeah. And so then of course over here you have my pink fuzzy pillow, my chair, and then, you know, because I don't want to see crap like down there, I have a plastic bin and some stuff. But yeah, because I don't really want to look at a whole lot of stuff. And there's my cute little mouse pad with the gold dots on it. So yeah, it's totally a girly office. And some pictures over here on this side. So it's a little darker over here on this side. Picture of my daughter and some other stuff. And then a bunch of like thank yous and another placard. I went to something after this, and yeah, it was something recent. I'm trying to remember what it was. I can't remember right now. And then I've got some files, a bunch of books. Oh, and then I have like this. Like this was like really good. I picked that up at a shop down the street. And there's the paint left over from when we got finished painting. And then I had all of these business cards, so I just stuck them on the wall. And so on the wall behind the door, when you step back, it's just all of these business cards, and so they all just sort of run this way and that way because I didn't have anything else to do with them, and I thought that'd be sort of creative. So yeah, that's it. And so when people say, what does an attorney's office look like? You'll be like, well, I don't know. I saw this person's office and it didn't look anything like I expected. Oh yeah, and this was a gift from I guess a group that I spoke to maybe a couple years ago, but they gave me this cute little saying and put it in a frame for me. It's very nice. I totally appreciated that. But yeah, that's about it for the tour of the office. Yvonne gave me those pictures, business cards back there, the new ones. Oh, and my little tripod. You know, so I got this tripod. Oh my gosh, like the thing is coming apart literally, and I think I barely had it like a year. I think a few months over a year. And the only reason I know that for sure is because I just did my taxes, and yeah. So now here we are with the light on so that you can really truly see everything. That was the evening version, and here's the daytime light version. So yeah, so you can see all of that there. Laptop, folders, all the stuff that I just pointed out on the lap. Cute little chairs, the shirt. Yeah, and look, I stuck my shoes up by the door when I came in because it's carpet. It's like, yeah, that's like, But anyway, and there are the business cards that I talked about before, and everything that's over there. So back over here, you can get a true feel for what that looks like. So I don't really meet people in here. I usually meet people across the hall in the conference room. So there's a conference room across the hall. So this is more like my private space. So I have invited you into the attorney's private space. And so everybody's space is really different, but your attorney can be just like totally down to earth and not stuck up, and yeah, hanging out in a space that looks like this. All right, so let's get really back away from my face. So this is the space again with the lights on. So you just got to see it with the light, with just the lamp on, with it dimmed, and now with the lights on. And now you can see the white space behind me that my daughter and I did. And we think we're gonna like it because we're gonna be able to take lots of pics in front of it, and I can sit here and talk and not have like crazy stuff behind me. And that's pretty much it. So this is the workspace, and now I think it's time to get to work.